The image shows the trapezoidal base of a prism. The prism has a height of 8 units. What is the volume of the prism? So pause the video and try that on your own. Okay, so just to visualize what's going on, this is the base of the prism. So the prism is going to look something like this. I'm going to draw it at an angle. So that's the base right over there, something like that. And then it has a height of 8 units. So its height is going to look like this. Its height of 8 units, and then the top of it is also going to be a trapezoid like that. So this is what we're looking at. So to figure out the volume of a trapezoidal prism like this, we just have to figure out the area of the base, which would be the area of this figure right over here, and then multiply that times the height, which is 8 units. So we calculate this area times 8, and we should get the volume of the prism. So how do we figure out this area? Well, there are several ways that we could do this. The most straightforward is that the area of a prism is going to be equal to the average of the two parallel sides. So that would be 10 plus 20 over 2 times the height. So times the height right over here. And so that's going to be equal to 30 divided by 2. So that's 15 times 6. 15 times 6, 10 times 6 is 60. 5 times 6 is 30. So this is going to be equal to 90. So the area of the base, I'll recolor it in pink right over here. This is 90. So if we want the volume of the entire prism, we'd multiply that base times the height. So it would be 90 times 8. So 90 times 8, which would get us a volume of 9 times 8 is 72. So this is going to be 720 cubic units. And we're done.